Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi di channel The Cover Kombin. Semoga teman-teman selalu dalam keadaan sehat semua ya. Selalu dalam lindungan Tuhan, dilancarkan dalam segala urusan, dan semoga hari kalian menyenangkan. Amin. Iya, pada video kali ini lagi-lagi pelatih vokal mereaksi penampilan Putri Ariani saat semifinal Amerika Got Talent 2023. Apa saja pendapat beliau dan komentar apa saja yang diberikan kepada Putri Ariani? Tanpa menunggu lama, langsung saja kita simak videonya.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. It's time. I missed out so many things. You guys are crazy in the comment sections. I see all the comments, I react to every comment, I put a heart, and it's time for Putri.
Indonesia. We are back with more Putri Ariani, and she's on AGT, America's Got Talent, and we're getting down to the countdown. We are getting down. Whew, such a nervous feeling, right? Nervous excitement. But she's going to be performing I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For by YouTube.
And I hope I said her name right because I'm German. Please have mercy on me, I'm German. Yeah. Don't expect me to say everything perfectly, I try my best. But last time she had such a beautiful rendition of Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word. I tried to sing it myself because it was so beautiful, so dynamic, had different colors, and it was so emotional that I just went to the computer, put a karaoke on, and tried to sing it myself. I used to sing that song like 10 years or more ago in school, but it was not as good as Putri down there, yeah?
I don't think I've heard the original, but coming from Putri, oh my goodness, it's such a treat. But yeah, we are back, and I am so proud of how far she's come. Her performances have been so amazing. So I sincerely want to thank you for this chess request.
Let's dive right into it. Again, love it. So many vocal coaches are like jumping into the reaction. I'm doing this reaction video since 2018 when no one was doing this. I'm a dinosaur here. Okay, let's go.
Let's get right into it.
Langsung saja kita gaskan.
See that spotlight that's like directly on her? Beautiful.
Mountains. Kali ini pelatih vokal yang mereaksi penampilan Putri Ariani.
Such an intense scenery.
Only to be with you, only to be with you.
I love her outfit.
But I still.
Oh my god, I haven't even recognized the song. Oh my god. That's what I'm talking about, making a song your own song. But I'm still haven't found what I'm looking for. I remember that song, but the way she was singing it, I was not remembering at all. This is something they called being, having musicality, being an artist, and having identity, and and creating from an original song your own special cover. Now, I definitely love how there's no piano in the beginning. It's just her own clear vocals. Own clear, beautiful vocals, yeah, and taking her time to really sing that intro. Beautiful falsetto, beautiful airy. Let's continue.
Lanjutkan.
What I'm looking for.
It's very good. Like it.
I believe in the kingdom come, then all the colors will be.
I have goosebumps.
The light is starting to open.
Mereka.
Tones are starting to elevate. Beautiful.
But yes, I'm still running.
She's very good.
You broke the bonds and you lose a chance. Carried the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame.
Oh, ey, es ist echt. I have goosebumps. I have even goosebumps on my feet, on my legs, not feet, but on my legs. Beautiful. I don't want to go very much technically into it, you know. Let me just turn off my phone for that. Everyone is annoying me in the middle of a performance. I hate it. Please stop it. But that's life, yeah. It's life if you run a vocal studio. Don't expect it to be not buzzing. Anyway, very emotional, very beautiful. And I never really listened to the lyrics. The songs are, I think they're about God and about world, you know. It's not only about love. So it's very much more. Very beautiful, riff and runs. She has a lot of vocal colors. She switches beautifully, a lot of dynamic. I try to watch as much as possible without copyright block.
Haven't found what I'm looking for.
I did hear this song.
Beautiful piano.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Beautiful.
Begitu banget ya, sampai banget Putri Ariani.
It's very good, beautiful belty mix.
What I'm looking for.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Sangat bagus.
It's just like, wow, she's done it again. Beautiful.
I definitely think it's one of the best performances I saw in a long time, and also on the channel I saw a lot of great things over the course of 2018, but I think this is one of the most, this is my top 10 or top 5. Now let's put all it beside. Beautiful agility. I don't have to tell no one that she's a great, fantastic singer, but what I can tell is that the way that she's emotionally committed to every word that she's saying, this is phenomenal. There is a commitment to what she's singing. I believe everything that she's saying, and every word, the way she plays it with belting or with mixed, it makes sense. It becomes musicality. The phrasings are absolutely on point. Absolutely everything has a structure, what she's going through emotionally. The song, how she was doing the song is very thoughtful. She was just not go and sing just to show off some vocals.
Putri Ariani! Simon!
That's beautiful dress.
Putri, I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely.
Aww.
Because that was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because, you know, they don't clear their songs, because I understand this, a lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition. Aww. And they knew how much this would mean to her, and I cannot thank you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
She was doing it purposefully. With every word that she's singing, she was trying to create mini climaxes within. And she blends beautifully from chest and goes and flips into head voice. Dynamically very difficult to do. for singers that don't have a lot of experience. It's very, very good. I really like it. Beautiful belty notes, beautiful mixed voice. There's very little that it's great example. Yeah, very young, beautiful, talented, beautiful playing piano at the same time. It's not easy for a lot of people, so I don't know. If she doesn't win, I don't know what's wrong with the show. I know there are a lot of great talents, but I think that I have to watch the other guys.
Yeah.
Sophia.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life. That was spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi.
Yes.
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally. So beautiful. And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning voice. Thank you so much.
Great comment, Howie. Perfection.
Thank you so much.
Putri, what do you want to say to Simon and the rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you so much.
Good luck tonight, Putri.
Write it down in the comment section what you think. I think it was fantastic. I have to see if there's any other performances of her. Will completely break it down tonight, because I think a lot of vocal coaches already have done it, yeah? But today, the emotional aspect is so much more bigger than the technicality. What always wins is always the emotion, because everyone can learn to be a technician, but not everyone can learn to sing with emotions. I hope there's another performance going on, because I want to see it right now. I want to see it. Hashtag weaponize your voice, get strong, and kick ass. And you only can go and kick ass if you have a strong voice and if you're strong yourself. So please get up and be strong for yourself, and then build that amazing, confident voice to kick and smash it, okay? I see you in my next video.
Iya, itulah tadi reaksi pelatih vokal yang mengatakan bahwa Putri Ariani merupakan penyanyi yang hebat. Putri Ariani bernyanyi dengan sangat emosional. Putri Ariani memiliki suara yang jernih dan indah. Banyak teknik warna vokal yang digunakan ketika Putri Ariani bernyanyi, dan ini jarang sekali ditemukan kalau penyanyi tersebut belum berpengalaman. Dan beliau juga berkata ini merupakan penampilan terindah yang pernah dilihat. Oke, cukup sekian dulu video kali ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di kesempatan berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.